If you don't have a citation to a specific case, Fastcase will let you search for cases using keywords. Let's say that you wanted to find cases about property owners associations foreclosures in Texas. We'll start by using a very simple natural language search. Natural language means in an everyday way of speaking, rather than a phrase that's specially built for a computer to understand. This approach is best for people who are new to legal research. In another video, we'll show you how to use Fastcase's terms and connectors to build a more precise and powerful search. For now, let's just use the phrase Property Owners Association Foreclosure. First, to make sure that we are only searching for Texas cases, we will click the Jurisdiction and Sources button. You will see it next to the search bar on both the simple landing page and the detailed results page. First, I'm clicking on Texas as the state or territory we want to research for. Next, because we're doing case law research, I'm going in the Cases column to select Texas Cases. Selecting the correct jurisdiction for your results is important because you will only want cases that cite laws that are relevant to the situation you are researching. Let's enter our natural language phrase, Property Owners Association Foreclosures, in the search box. Clicking Search will return results that match these keywords. From here, we can filter them further or pick one to read. One option for further filtering is by date. In this example, perhaps you only wanted to see results from after the Residential Property Owners Protection Act was passed in 2002. We can enter that date range in this box. Clicking on a case will bring the full text of the opinion up in a new panel. Please see the video on verifying good law for information on how to evaluate the quality of a case.